Hello and welcome back to Makeup Over 40. I am Jen. Today we are talking about one of my very favorite affordable brands, and it is Essence. I use their products almost daily. So today I have almost a full face to show you of great products that the brand has to offer. So if that sounds interesting, just keep watching. Essence has a great brow pencil. I do not have it in my stash right now, but their brow pencil, I will make sure that I put a picture up. The only negative to that brow pencil is that it does not have a spoolie, but most of us have a brush in our makeup stash that has a spoolie on one side. So I do recommend the Essence brow pencil. Today I just used my Wet n Wild, another fantastic affordable brand. I did go ahead and set my brows with the e.l.f. brow lift, and I primed my eyes with the Essence. This is their Camouflage matte concealer, a great concealer. I am going to start with the eyes, and Essence has these eyeshadow palettes. They're 6-pan palettes. This one is I like to mauve it, mauve it. They are a fantastic formula. I've heard fantastic things about all of the different color variations that they have. This just happens to be the one that I have. I'm gonna go in with this mid-tone shade right here and just put this on the eyes. Hopefully this works out because I have a red lip to put on today, and we'll see. I think it's going to go nicely. I love red and purple together, and to me mauve is just a pink with purple undertones. Do you agree? So I am just taking that mid-tone shade and a semi fluffy brush. This is Ulta brand, and I am just taking this in the crease and a little bit above. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the e.l.f. Detail Crease, and I'm going to go into this gray shade right here, and I'm going to deepen that outer corner with that. Comment below if you've tried any of these eyeshadow palettes from Essence, because I am very much looking into getting some more for my stash. I have so much eyeshadow, but there's a slight satisfaction when you have a good eyeshadow formula that you didn't pay a fortune for. How exciting is that? I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here in the corner. I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of setting spray, and I'm going to put this under the eyes. Now for the pop of fun, I'm going to take this lightest shimmer down here in the corner, and I'm going to go right on the lid with that one. Very pretty. Easy, inexpensive, win-win. For liner, I have been raving about the Essence Extreme Lasting Liners for as long as I can remember. They are a great sharpened pencil, under $5. They are creamy. They are blendable. I'm just going to put this on the outside of my eye, making it a little thicker on the outside and a little thinner on the inside. There are different shades that you can pick up. I have this in brown as well. Just gives the whole look a little more drama. You can flick it out a little on the outside if you want. I'm going to go in the upper waterline with this. For mascara, I'm sure you've heard of the Essence Lash Princess mascaras. These are fantastic. This is the False Lash Effect, and one of my very favorite mascaras. High-end drugstore, doesn't matter, it's just that good. I've curled my lashes, and now I'm gonna go in with a couple of coats of this mascara that builds up really fast. My only complaint about this mascara is every now and again it will run underneath my eyes a little bit. So on the day-to-day, it's fine because it doesn't always happen, but if I know I'm going to be sweating or I know I have a really long day ahead of me, I'll just put a tubing mascara on the bottom lashes. So if you're like me and you struggle with mascara under your eyes, it's usually under. If it's under your eyes, try a tubing mascara because that has less of a tendency to run. So I could stop right there, but I'm going to add another coat and I'll be right back. I am back. Mascara is on. Beautiful. Next I'm going to go in with one of my top primers. This is the My Skin Perfector Tinted Primer in Nude Beige. So it is a tinted smoothing primer that just, mine is almost gone, that just does a fantastic job smoothing the skin, taking away shine without feeling dry. So it comes out a little dry in your hand. I just mesh it in and then look how it takes the shine off my face. The shine that you're seeing was from my skincare. This is one of the most smoothing primers I've ever used, and it does absolutely even out the skin. Love it. Which is a good thing because the foundation that they have, I am not a big fan of. I think it is a good foundation for people with normal to dry skin. For an oily skin type, not so much. So this is what I'm using today, and I'm going to perfect it even further with my concealer and powder. For concealer, I mentioned I'd put it on my eyes as well. I used the Camouflage Matte Concealer. I'm going to use that under my eyes now. It is extremely full coverage. If you are looking, I'm just going to put it in the center part of my face to brighten. If you're looking to brighten the skin and diminish any imperfections, obviously for imperfections on the face other than the eyes, you would want to make sure that you got a color closer to your skin tone. So because this one is brighter, I'm going to use this to conceal and brighten. Because it is matte, you do want to be careful that it does not look dry under the eyes, so just make sure, never forget your skincare. Always make sure that you have your skincare on, your eye cream on, so those under eyes are hydrated. Now we are smoother, brighter, concealed, yes. For powder, in that same line, they have the My Skin Perfector Loose Fixing Powder, Instant Blur Effect, Natural Matte Finish, right up my alley. I have mine in the shade Nude. I'm going to put a little bit in the pan, and it does look a little dark when you first see it. It does absolutely sheer out on the skin. So I'm putting this all over my face. I am avoiding my under eyes though, because that concealer was matte. So I don't want to add more product under my face that could possibly, I don't want to add more product under my eyes that could possibly dry them out. But fantastic, looks good. And for bronzer, I've had this for years. I love it. I recommend it to everyone. This is their Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. You get 4 different shades. I've used them all. I like all of them. I think this one probably has the biggest dip. So I'm going to use this lighter one today. Let's see how much color that gives. But truly, just for the deeper ones, I'm just a little lighter handed, and for the lighter ones, I can go a little crazy. And it looks fine. So smooth, so blendable, so inexpensive. I think this is less than $10. I've used this for my eyes. I've taken this on vacation because you could easily just put this in the crease of your eye and have a more put together look. I'm going to put this on the sides of my nose, under my lip, maybe a little bit under the chin or under the jawline to create a shadow. Beautiful. I go in with highlight after bronzer, and this Essence Pure Nude, I would guess this is probably their top selling product that they have. It is hugely popular. This one, it does come in different shades. This one is in Be My Highlight, and it is just so soft and gorgeous. Smooth if you have texture or wrinkles, it's not going to enhance them. I have built this up to be pretty bold, but at the same time, it's never overpowering. It is just, I would wear this on my wedding day. It's just a lit from within, not that glow to Mars kind of highlight. It's just a soft glow, healthy look. For blush, this is Essence The Blush, and I have mine in the shade Bespoke, which is a very warm, neutral blush that I believe is gorgeous and goes with any look. I've worn this with warm eye looks, I've worn this with cool eye looks. It is just the most natural looking color. Goes on so smoothly. I don't know how they have the products that they have at the prices they have them. And for lips, I used to have an Essence lip liner, but I've heard that they reformulated them. You'll have to let me know if you've tried them. Let me know in the comments, number one, what's your favorite Essence product, and if you haven't tried them, what you're excited to try after this video. And number two, if you've tried the newly formulated pencils, because I would like to know if they are a good formula, because they're so inexpensive. But the one I grabbed today is from Morphe. This is a $5 lip pencil, and I got it in the shade Well Red. Lip liner is on. Great lip liner, by the way. And for lips, I have the Essence Stay 8 Hour Matte, and this is their red shade. It is called I Dare You. This is a budge-proof, beautiful red velvet lip color that is so inexpensive. This is one of my favorites. There's just something powerful about a bold red lip. Feeling strong, feeling confident. I love it. Red is my favorite lip color. I forgot my bottom mascara. Let me throw a little bottom mascara on. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I also have another channel called Jen D Beauty. I will post a picture. Come visit me over there. I am on Instagram as Jen D Beauty Official. Come visit me there. But make sure that you subscribe here. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know you were here. And I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.